Let's start our spooky adventure and learn some fun ghostly moves. Ghosts! Let's bob up and down and side to side like spooky little ghosties. Arms out and in and out like this. Make sure you're not moving your feet. That's it, you're doing it to the hip-hop beat. Now it's time to float over the hill. With your arms flowing smoothly like floating ghosts. Can you make a woo? You got it. And again with flowing arms. Woo! Wow! Your ghost is the best we've seen, and we wish you all a happy Halloween! Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.